On the occasion of International Women's Day, Herald Media showcases the work and the achievements of Goan women. Here is the story and the message of Goa's celebrated Women Dance India Dance Super Mom Miss Cecile Rodrigues in first person. She also talks about how she has empowered children through performing arts.
Hi everyone, I'm Cecile Rodrigues and I'm the co-founder of Encore Academy of Performing Arts. We have been running this academy for the last 4 years and it has been such a success because we have got amazing students on board and amazing teachers on board who just love and are passionate about dance. A little bit about myself. I have been the winner of Dance India Dance Supermom in 2013. And all that I wanted to do is make sure after I win the dance show that I would spread the energy and the knowledge that I have back to the children, because I believe through performing arts, the children can be confident, have focus, have communication, have discipline, as well as their coordination skills work out and their overall development of the child gets done. So last 4 years, we've been teaching children and it's been such an amazing journey because we've reached out to more than 100 schools and we've done free workshops all over Goa. Plus at present, we are teaching dance education program as a subject in 30 different government aided schools all over Goa, right from Arambol heading towards Kunkoli, everywhere in between. And this has been such an amazing journey because we have seen that we are transforming lives of children through performing arts and the children love the subject of dance, and I think so this should be made compulsory in all the schools all over Goa.
What is your take on status of Women Day?
I feel that in today's time, women should be independent. They should be on their feet, and whatever you're passionate about, and you should take that forward. Children right from school should be encouraged into different skill sets. Even if you're a girl, you should be doing plumbing, you should be doing carpentry, not just stitching and cooking, which has been ages that the girls have been encouraged to do. But today we have to come ahead of time and build ourselves up. Even in the line that what we do, the performing arts, women should be encouraged to take this profession, because when you're passionate about something that you love to do, your work becomes easier and you enjoy working, and then you can translate your energy to the people who are with you and the work gets done very well. So that's what we want women to be encouraged. So parents who are watching, please encourage your daughters, because my father did that to me and today I am standing where I am because of the encouragement that I have got from him. So please do that for your girl child.